Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we'll be analyzing EURNZD, right? So before we take a look at 10 cards, let's really see what we have in the fundamentals, right? So this is my forex battery, and as you can see right here, these are the high impact news coming up during the week. There are actually a lot, right? So as you can see right here, starting from AUD, you can see ROBA, which is Reserve Bank of Australia. Their governor spoke this, which is on Monday 9 a.m. 9:15. They have not spoken yet, so it's actually 9:15, so 2 hours from now. And on Tuesday, there's actually no high impact news, right? So I actually used FITA, right? So this is my FITA. You can see the major currencies right here. And then we can see I'm using the only the high impact news, right? So you can as well FITA your if you want to. You can see AUD already. AUD is actually very strong already. You know, I've actually been making videos, made up to 2 videos consecutively on AUD buy, and it's actually playing out right now, most really on AUD USD. So you should capitalize on that. You should look for AUDUSD buys. But then today we are going to focus on Euro NZD, right? So also we can see that for USD, the forecast currently for Fed rates, Federal Reserve, they are actually looking at cutting interest rate. Let's see how it goes really. If it's actually going to come out the same way it is as forecasted right now, or they are going to leave it the same way, which is at 24.25%, right? So let's see how it goes really, right? Well, this week is very good. It's going to be very volatile, so we're going to see spikes a lot in this week. But then let's just be careful and then follow your plan really. At the end of the day, that's actually what will save you, right? So let's go to the weekly time frame, guys. So right on Euro NZD, looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that we have been bullish for a very long time. As at this point, I made a video on Euro NZD. So you guys should buy like AUD. NZD was bullish. We should still buy AUD NZD, and we can see right now that's even taking out this high. So if you took advantage of the buy or call that I called right from this point, you must have made a lot of profit currently, right? So what we're going to analyze and see what we have currently on AUD NZD, we know that it's very bullish currently. That's the fact, right? So and we're actually at premium. If we are looking at like we are not at discount of this is actually the major trading rate currently, and we are actually at a premium. But then we still want to follow the trend because it's very bullish. You don't start trying to sell right now unless it shows that yes, it wants to start selling, right? So until we see that, we want to continue buying. So let's go to the daily time frame. Now that we know that we want to just look for buy opportunities, let's go to the daily time frame to refine and see if we can catch buy opportunities on the daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, we can see it's actually aligned with the weekly time frame order flow, which is bullish. So EURNZD is bullish on the weekly time frame, and we want to look for buys on the daily time frame. Right, we can see. So we already have a trading range right from here. So our trading range is just going to be around between this point and this point right now currently, right? So we already see that we are actually on discount already, and we want to start looking for buy opportunities at this point. But then where exactly should we position ourselves to take a buy from this point, right? So let's go to the 4 hour time frame to refine our entry, right? All right, narrowing it down to the 4 hour time frame, we can see we actually have a good range or a good zone to wait for price right now, which is at just this point, right? So we are still going to wait for Euro NZD to drop, right? At least to this level. And once price gets to this level, we are going to start looking for buy opportunities here. Like, how do we position ourselves when price gets to this point? What are we going to watch out for? Right? We look out for confirmations like a breaker block. Like, in case you don't know what a breaker block pattern is, you look out for something like this. You know, price is bullish, is bearish already. So when price gets to this point, you want to see price keep us something like a change of character, right? So that's to show that yes, price is potentially about to start going bullish right from this point, and then we'll just look for retracement, wait for a little retracement, and then join the buys, right? So this is exactly what we are going to be watching out for at this particular point, right? So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.